Meaning of innovation.
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 Innovation. Innovation refers to the process of creating or introducing new ideas, products, services, or processes that add value and improve upon existing methods. It involves taking risks and challenging the status quo to bring forth positive change and stimulate progress in various fields such as technology, business, science, arts, and society. Innovation often results in increased efficiency, improved quality, enhanced functionality, and greater customer satisfaction. It is a driving force behind economic growth and competitiveness, as well as a tool for addressing pressing global challenges and improving human well-being.